you're having trouble with Instagram Reels not loading or playing smoothly, then this video is for you. In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to fix Instagram Reels lagging issue and make them run smoothly again. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. If you're experiencing Instagram Reels lag and don't know how to fix it, don't worry. We're here to help you out. First of all, let's open up your Instagram app and head to our profile. Once we're there, we need to click on the three lines at the top and then click on Settings. Next, we'll click on Account, which you can find just under Ads. Now here's the important part. Under Sharing to Other Apps, you'll see Data Usage. If this option is enabled, then that's the reason your Instagram Reels are lagging. Instagram is using less mobile data, which slows down your experience on the app. So what you need to do is simply switch off this option. Once you've switched off use less data, your Instagram will load faster, especially your Reels. If the problem still persists, you can try uninstalling and reinstalling the app. This may help fix any underlying issues that are causing the lag. So that's how you fix Instagram Reels lag. We hope this tutorial has been helpful for you. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notifications, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.